Now what we're going to do is we're going to do a little work on the tail here. So as we look down here, we see we've got it pulled up like so. What we want to do is we want to be able to make a little square down here. So what we're going to do is we're going to fold it over, kind of cutting it across like so. Getting this piece up here to form. Now, of course, if your model isn't straight, it's going to form this square, but as you see here, this line's going to be straight here. It's going to cut across. Now what we're going to do with this guy here is we're just going to sink him. So we really don't need him, he's in the way. We're just going to cut across, back over, like so. There's the beginning of his tail. We'll fold it down, like so. And flip our model over. Just going to open it up. And squish it, oops. Squish it down flat so that the lines stay parallel. Well, they're not really supposed to be parallel, they're supposed to be in line of one another, like so.